Hello everyone, welcome back to our long-distance learning program from the Cambridge International School. In the work 4 with teacher SREYNY again. How are you doing today everyone? I hope that everyone is doing fine and everyone is doing great. Alright everyone, so today Tuesday, December 19, 2020 and according to our schedule for the first session you are going to learn about listening express 1, right? And also in listening express 1 in the previous time you just learn or you just did or have done some exercises in workbook, right? So today you are going to learn about listening express 1 again in the same unit but in the different lesson, right? So today you are going to learn about checkpoint in unit 4 again. So we have 3 points today. The first point is listen, write the letter that best describes each picture. So when you open your book on page 33, you will see here. So here, A, look at the picture. There are 4 pictures that you have to look. After that, you have to listen from the audio and then write the letter that match with each picture. The picture the letter that describe about the picture, and then you can write that letter here in the box here. Got what it mean, everyone? Good. So now let the teacher give you 2 times. You can listen it 2 times by listening again and again and complete the answer together. 1, 2, 3. Let's start.
Checkpoint A. Listen. Write the letter that best describes each picture.
A. Giraffes have long necks. They are the tallest animals on land. B. The huge shark swims by us slowly. He is the biggest animal in the water. C. The boy is like a wild animal. He likes playing in mud and dirt. D. We took an elephant ride through the jungle. The elephants were very calm.
Alright, everyone, have you done? I hope that you can complete the answer well and also follow up about what teacher told you or explained you already. Now let's check the answer with teacher all together, everyone. So let teacher read for you. A. Giraffes have long necks. They are tallest animal on land. So depend on what the picture, what you have seen and what you have listened. Which picture that letter A describe about? It's about the picture number 4, right? So number 4 is letter A. Now let's go to B. The huge shark swim by us slowly. He is the biggest animal in the water. So based on what you see in the picture, which one have shark? Yes, so number 1. So number 1 should be letter B. C. The boy is like a wild animal. He likes playing with the mud and dirt. So based on the picture, like you can see a boy is in a mud, right? A boy is in the hole of the mud. And it seems like he's so dirty, right? He like to play with that thing. So the best answer is number 2, letter C. And the last one should be checked. So the last one should be letter D, number 3. Alright, everyone. Now let's go to B all together. Listen, choose the unnatural or incorrect dialogue. So in this one, you have to listen from the audio. After that, choose the incorrect answer. Which one is not correct? Okay? Not choose the correct answer, but you choose incorrect answer, choose the wrong answer in this dialogue. So unnatural means incorrect. Alright, everyone. So this one teacher give you 3 times again to listen and find the answer. Now let's start all together.
Checkpoint B. Listen. Choose the unnatural or incorrect dialogue. Number 1. Are you the shortest person in your family?
Yes. Everyone is taller than me.
Number 2. My best friend knows a lot about animals.
I couldn't watch that show last night.
Number 3. How many pets do you have?
I have 2 dogs and 10 fish.
Number 4. Let's go to the zoo this weekend.
Sure. I love to look at animals.
Great, everyone. Have you done? I hope that you can read the answer well. Now let's check the answer with each other together. So in order to check this one, the teacher would like to read or repeat all the whole audio again. Alright. So, number 1. Are you the shortest person in the family? Yes, everyone is taller than me. Number 2. My best friend knows a lot about animals. I couldn't watch that show last night. 3. How many pets do you have? I have 2 dogs and 10 fish. 4. Let's go to the zoo this weekend. Sure, I love to look at animals. So based on what you have listened, so which one is not much with each other? Like number 1, are you the shortest person in the family? You say yes, everyone is taller than me, so it should be it's not the wrong answer, right? Because the question and the answer match with each other. Okay? My best friend knows a lot about animals. I couldn't watch that show last night. So one say about know about a lot of animals, but one say about watching the show. So is it match with each other when 2 persons talk with each other and then one say about A and then another one say about B? Is it correct? It should not correct. So this one is incorrect dialogue, right? So the incorrect dialogue is number 2. Alright, everyone. So now let's go to the last point of today's lesson is listen, choose the best answer for each questions. In this one, you have to listen from the audio again. After that, you have to answer the question. In each question, there are 4 answers for you to choose. Okay? But among our 4, have only 1 correct answer. Alright, let's go to number 1. When did the family go to the aquarium? So this one should pronounce the, not the, because we have letter A here, we have run to the aquarium. So aquarium will refer to a place where there are a lot of animals that the people can visit, the people can see. A lot of sea animal or a lot of the animal that live in the water. So some people might say that it is a zoo. Actually, you can say like that, but it's not correct at all. Why? Because zoo is a place where there are a lot of land animal that you can see, right? Land animal. But aquarium is a place where there are a lot of sea animal or animal that live in the sea that we can visit or we can see. So zoo for land animal, but aquarium for the animal that live in the water. So this is the difference between zoo and aquarium. So don't get confused about this one. Correct? Alright, everyone. So now let's go to the answer. A. On Friday morning. B. On Saturday evening. C. On Sunday morning. 3 weeks ago. So this one you have to choose only the best one that correct with the question. Okay? Now let's go to number 2. Why was the speaker's favorite animals? So walrus, we refer to the kinds of the large sea animal, or we can say the large mammal, the large sea mammal animal. So it looks like seal, but it's not called seal, but it's called walrus. Walrus, right? You can pronounce walrus. Alright, so the answer we have 4 again, because it was very cute, because it scared his sister, because it swam well and did tricks. D. Because it was huge and lazy. So after the teacher have read this one for you already, I hope that you can listen well and then find the correct answer. Now let's start all together.
Checkpoint C. Listen. Choose the best answer for each question.
I had a great time at the aquarium last weekend. I went there with my family on Sunday morning. There weren't many people there, so it was quiet and easy to walk around. We saw so many different sea animals. My favorite animal there was the walrus. It was huge, but it swam well and did tricks. My mom thought the seahorses were cute. I hope I can visit the aquarium again soon.
Excellent, everyone. Have you done? I hope that you can complete well about the answer or can find the answer. Now let's check the answer with the chair all together. So the first one, when did the family go to the aquarium? I think this one is not hard because in the audio, the speaker also mentioned about the day that he or she family go or went to the aquarium, right? So the correct answer what? Should I read for you again? Alright, I think I should read one more for you again. I had a great time at the aquarium last weekend. I went there with my family on Sunday morning. So the correct answer is Sunday morning is letter C. Alright, why was the walrus the speaker's favorite animals? So let's continue about the reading altogether. Alright, there weren't many people there. Weren't here we refer to were not, the past of aren't or aren't. So it was quiet and easy to walk around. We saw so many different sea animals. My favorite animals there was the walrus. So he will tell his reason. It was huge, but it swam well and did trick. My mom thought the seahorses were cute. I hope I can visit the aquarium again soon. So based on what you have listened and what you have read for you, you can hear that he liked about the walrus or what is his favorite because what? Because it can did trick and swam well, right? So the correct answer it should be C again. So it seems like number 1 and number 2 have the same letter is letter C, right? Alright, everyone, so now our today lesson is finished. I hope that you can catch up well and then you also can follow up about today's lesson. So now the lesson is finished. See you again for the next session.